Oh, there's so many different memories that I could talk about or that come to mind over the last several years with Missouri Star. I think that one of the most impactful things that always comes back through all the memories that we look at, definitely the people. It's the people that we work with, either in the office, on the floor, or just our customers coming into the town, into the location. We all have had so many challenges and changes over the years, but yet it's just a big family. We all hold hands and jump in together no matter how difficult or scary if we don't know what the outcome is going to be. And yet we always find something fun and happy and beautiful at the end. So that is definitely the thing that keeps, I think, all of us getting up and coming back and keeping that smile on our face day in and day out. So that's my best memory of Missouri Star.